Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to buy cryptocurrency nowadays. I know you can mine it and you probably should mine it. I'm not that advanced to start mining. Well, there are simplified mining programs, but this is a way you can buy cryptocurrency really, really easily. Of course, you probably know it, but it's Robinhood. You can use the online app or you can use the mobile phone app. The mobile phone app is a lot more streamlined, and I like the mobile phone app a lot more, but you can also use the website. Its website is almost as good, but here I'm going to show you the website right now. My phone's out of battery, or I would show you on the phone as well. But using Loom as a screen recorder, uh, you can't really show the phone that well, so I'm going to use this. Okay, so basically, you log into your account. You're going to have to make an account when you first. You have to make an account when you first sign in or whatever. You'll make a password and a PIN. And then once you get into the account area, you basically have a couple of options. Of course, well, I'm just going to show you how you can get cryptocurrency right now. You can go to search, and you can go to go to search and go to crypto. Yeah, go to search, type in crypto, and it will show you all the cryptocurrencies. I know this program doesn't have, this application doesn't have the most cryptocurrencies, but it does have some, so you can get started with it, and it's really simple to use. All you have to do is basically do the Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you can enter in the amount. So you'll go over here and you'll basically enter how much you want to get. You can even get as low. You can get as low as probably $1. You want to get at least $10 though. Dollars though. And it'll just go. Bitcoin is going up really high right now, so I would probably suggest going to Bitcoin while it's going up. It's gone up almost 1,000 within. It's gone up almost 1,000 in like a week. So just do that. Okay, now that's how you buy Bitcoin, and you just confirm, and you'll just go through your bank, and you'll basically do that. Now, you can also sell Bitcoin, and you can sell any cryptocurrency you want to. That's about it on the cryptocurrency side. They also have, you can get a free stock, and you get a free stock, and that's about it. Invite friends if you invite friends, you get a free stock. Sorry, I'm not thinking clearly right now. You go to your portfolio, see all the stocks and cryptocurrencies you have, and then they also added this new thing where you can get a cash card. You can get a cash card, and it's I know it's not. The weight is like 1 million. It's pretty crazy, but it's gone down like 85,000 for me. But at least the debit card is free once you get it, and it's just a free debit card. That's about it. And that's about all there is to the Robinhood app. Like I said, you can use a mobile phone. It's a lot easier and quicker. I personally think it's just easier to go through the buttons, but I really like the website as well. It's about the same. There's a lot of options when you're looking up stocks and cryptocurrencies. There's only 4 cryptocurrencies on there right now. I thought there were more. I thought there were like 6 or 7, but that's about all I see right now. You just type in crypto, and there you go. And that's about it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't too long. Just wanted to get this out there. I just thought maybe you want to invest in some cryptocurrency, since maybe the I don't know, the market uh, might not the market might not be as good in the near future, I think, because it's just we're going on WordPress funny money right now. That's my opinion. It's just kind of like people throwing out money in WordPress. It doesn't really make much sense, honestly. But don't. I'm probably gonna get heat for that, but that's basically how I feel. So I think that if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, it'd be a lot safer. Um, and that's how I feel. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up. Thanks.